There's a particular kind of peace that arrives when you stop adding and start letting go. Not the peace of having everything you want, but something quieter, the peace of realizing you already have enough. In the part 1 we explained what minimalism is. This part 2 is destined to teach you how to begin with minimalism practices. If you're feeling called toward this kind of simplicity, here's where to begin. Start each day by making your bed. This simple act creates immediate order and sets a calm tone. Clear your surfaces. Countertops, tables, nightstands, let them breathe. You'll be amazed how much more peaceful a room feels. Bring in natural elements. Wood, stone, plants. These connect us to something larger and add warmth without clutter. Create space between your belongings. Whether it's clothes on hangers or books on a shelf, breathing room matters. Finally, consider your lighting. Harsh overhead lights disrupt calm. Layer softer sources instead, table lamps, candles, natural light. When less becomes enough, you discover something unexpected. You're not giving anything up. You're making space for what was always there: peace, clarity, presence. Your home doesn't need to impress anyone. It just needs to hold you well. Thank you for being here. If this resonated with you, I'd love to know. Leave a comment below sharing one small step you'll take toward a calmer space. Until next time, may your home feel like enough.